Hi, and welcome to Heidelberg at Drupa 2024. With our road to Drupa being in full swing, we will focus on the topic of sustainability today. The current energy and material costs make sustainable and efficient production more worthwhile than ever. But sustainability may also offer strategic advantages in terms of differentiation from other market players. Of course, the topic is nothing new for the printing industry. Let's take a look at what has happened at Heidelberg over the last few decades. Here you can see a Speedmaster from 1990. Today, the Speedmaster looks like this. Our new Speedmaster XL106. An impressive difference in appearance, right? The new design of the Speedmaster XL106 has a really clear geometry, and to me, it looks ultra-modern. But it is not only the design of the Speedmaster that has become significantly cleaner, but also its environmental footprint. Compared to the 1990s version, we have reduced the energy requirement per 1,000 sheets by up to 40% thanks to a number of innovative technologies. But why is sustainability such an important issue in the printing industry? To answer this question, we have a real expert with us, Eva Boll, Head of Corporate Sustainability at Heidelberg. Hi, Eva.
Hi, Nick.
Why is sustainability also in the printing industry so important today?
Sustainability is important for the whole society in general. In the printing industry, sustainable production also means economic benefits. For example, energy savings or waste savings. When I started with Heidelberg 10 years ago, the company already has mentioned the importance of sustainable production, also regarding these economic aspects.
What drives you and what is the ultimate goal of Heidelberg?
Heidelberg has set itself the goal to have the lowest environmental footprint along the entire value chain. My team and I, we are working on this every day.
Does this mean that Heidelberg supports its customers for sustainability issues also beyond the machines?
Exactly. Our innovations focus on savings in energy and raw material. But we also advise our customers in their production process and sustainability issues. For example, our energy efficiency workshops, in which our experts analyze the entire production process of the customers. Together with them, our experts identify optimization potential. Massive savings in energy and waste and time are possible here.
Thank you, Eva, for these valuable insights.
You're welcome.
We will be presenting even more on that topic at Drupa 2024 in Düsseldorf. Our experts are looking forward to your visit and your questions in Hall 1. Well, let's take a look at sustainability from the end customer's perspective. For this, we have invited Vinnie Mühling of ProCarton, the European Association of Carton and Cartonboard Manufacturers. Hello, Mr. Mühling. Great to have you here.
Hello, Nick. Nice to be here.
You have produced a study on sustainability. Can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, so we made a study asking 5,000 consumers in Europe on their overall sentiments and, of course, also on their attitude towards packaging. And one of the key takeouts that we found is that climate change is very high on top of mind for consumers in Europe. When it comes to the question of mitigating, reducing the impact of climate change, then two main things were mentioned by consumers. One that was recycling, and the second one that was planting trees. So consumers very much connect the benefits of trees, of growing forests, to the positive impact for the world climate. 88% of consumers believe that the collection and recycling system for paper and cartonboard, it is very well intact. It is working and they trust and they have full confidence in it. And this is the best reason to talk about a good base for a circular packaging system like paper and cartonboard.
What is the message for printing companies?
Well, I think the message for printing companies is that all lights are on green for paper and cartonboard. We also asked the question on the preference for the material versus plastic material. And also this figure increased by another 1%, going to 87% preference of cardboard versus plastics. Focus on sustainable packaging material and focus on sustainable equipment will be key to generate benefits for your business and benefits for your customer's business.
Mr. Mühling, thank you very much for your valuable insights and assessments.
Thank you very much. It was my very pleasure.
Thankfully, producing more sustainably often also means producing more cost efficiently. For example, when it comes to reducing waste. This has a major impact, especially in the packaging sector, where the printing stock is particularly expensive. We have offered an unbeatable and still unique feature for efficient production for many, many years. Prinect Impress Control takes care of color control fully automatically, without pulling sheets and without stopping the machine. Compared to an online measuring system, this saves you 8 to 12 minutes of make-ready time and 100 to 150 sheets of waste per job. And of course, it increases your productivity to the same extent. With 8 jobs a day, that's a volume of around 1,000 sheets per day. Imagine how much material that is per week, per month, per quarter. Well, it's a lot. Not to mention the time saved during setup. That's 1.5 to 2 hours per press per day. In that time, you can easily print up to 31,000 sheets on our Speedmaster. If you would like to experience live how quickly you can get into good sheet production with the new Speedmaster XL106, Drupa is waiting. Sustainability does not stop at reducing waste or making production more efficient. It can also diversify your own product portfolio. For example, by using special ecological inks, coatings, and other consumables. If print shops are aiming for eco certifications to offer a wider portfolio, the use of Saphira eco consumables is an easy way to achieve this goal. All Saphira eco products are certified and tested in their combination on Heidelberger machines. They are an easy way through the thicket of specifications, labels, and production challenges. With Saphira Eco, there is no need to compromise on print quality or performance. As we mentioned at the beginning of this episode, hardware can also save a lot of energy. Firstly, through speed. Because if you print faster, you need less energy. Yes, you heard right. With cars, faster driving means higher fuel consumption. With printing, it is exactly the opposite, as the machine prints the same number of sheets in less time. But you already know that we achieve absolute record times with the Speedmaster XL106. At Drupa, we will be presenting an innovation that not only saves energy at high speeds, the new drying system DryStar Combination Eco. Thanks to its innovative infrared radiator technology and a clever heat recovery system, it saves up to 30% of energy. And it does so at full drying capacity at machine speeds of up to 21,000 sheets per hour. That brings us to the end of this episode. Next time, we will be looking at the question, how to improve your competitive situation. Isn't that exactly what we want? Take care and see you soon.